Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to create an art piece that I did for the International Day Against Homophobia, BIPHOBIA and Transphobia. Because it is such a significant day, I wanted to do something really special. So this piece I'm going to do with watercolor on watercolor sheet. You can use any paper of your choice. So we are going to paint in a rainbow scheme because those are the colors of the LGBTQI community. So let's get into the video. By the end of the video, if you learn something new and like a part of a video, please subscribe to my channel and share it to support me. Just going to start by painting the background with our favorite colors and some water to create a water splash effect. I recommend wetting all your colors at first. I wanted to do a light background so that my flowers could be highlighted. So I went in and did yellow and orange background. Try to have no stroke lines in the background because it doesn't really look nice. I wanted to start with the violet color of the rainbow, so I went and mixed a little of maroon with a blue for my first rose. What I do for my roses is that I just go in and make some spirals that are not so symmetrical. I did all the violet roses first. You can do as you like. Now it is the turn of our indigo colored roses. Paint the roses however and whichever way you prefer. For me to not mix up the colors of the rainbow, I wrote the sequence on my hand. After I did the violet, indigo and blue roses, I thought I will make green roses, but then we would have green leaves. So I didn't make green roses, and yellow and orange were already in the background, so I just went for red. Also, I make many videos about different things, art related, calligraphy, lifestyle, blog. If you would consider subscribing me, that would be great. So if you are not using a watercolor sheet and you have some other kind of paper, you might need to add a little more water to your paint or a little less depending on the sheet. Although at first I thought I wouldn't be doing yellow and orange roses, but I love those colors, and if we did more of dark colors, then our painting would be very overpowering and we needed some balance, so I did orange and yellow. Okay, so let's paint our leaves. So whatever white space you see and you cannot make a flower there, or you think there is not a requirement for a flower, you can just make leaves, one leaf or more than that, just depends on your painting. I then decided to paint a baby's breath, but in purple color. They look so pretty, and with just a fine brush I did its branches. Now take any black colored pen or a darker pencil and write the beautiful word pronounced as love. I wrote the O in the shape of a heart so we can feel the colors of the rainbow in it, signifying that love is love, no matter the color of it, or the gender, or the sex. this is our end product. Hope you like this video, and if you thought it was helpful, like, subscribe and share.